Alright, so just loading up some junk here. Just wanted to kind of show what the Artillian fork frame is able to do. I just kind of drove over and threw the forks underneath this thing, picked it right up. So also kind of an illustration of how strong even a very small tractor like the 2038 is. I could fold this thing. So I bet you I can. So let's find a good spot here. All right, I'm not very good at being a cameraman and doing this. Let's see if I can't set it up right. All right, so here we go. Stand a couch up. I think I might be hooked on it. Nope. Dang it. All right, there we go. So there she is, stood upright. All right, so let's see what happens here. Well, first of all, it's lifted up the front of the tractor. Oh, that was anticlimactic. Let's try something else. All right, so let's monster truck this thing, I guess. This is one strong couch. We're off the ground. Oh, that's one way to open up a couch. And success. I think this would be better done with a bucket. But we are making it smaller so it'll fit in the truck easier, so there is some reasoning to this. Not much, but some. Well, ever wanted to know what was behind the cushion in your couch? There you go. All right. There we go. Ripped a chunk out of it. All right, I think we can fold it now. All right, so we didn't fold it, but I ripped this part out. That's it right there. So I tried to squish that, but it lifted up the tractor. I broke this, so that's not on there anymore. And I ripped that piece out when I was unloading it, but there we go. Yep. Your turn.